Good morning, everyone. And the new module which I'm starting today is classroom conversation. Classroom conversation is beneficial in many ways. Like it will help you to talk, it will help you to think, it will help you to ask questions, it will help you to answer. With the help of questions, it will be easy for you to make presentations. It can be open-ended questions, it can be closed-ended questions, it can be yes, no, it can be, you can elaborate. Like some questions will be, have you ever traveled by plane? The answers can be, no, I have not, but I would like to travel by plane because the adventure that is involved in it. And yes, I have traveled a couple of times by plane, and I felt good because it saves time, and it is beneficial in more ways than one. So the pros and the cons will always be there. No, I have never traveled by plane because it gives me the fright. Because I'm afraid of heights. So I have never thought of ever flying by plane. So these are the some kind of answers: the yes, the no's, and maybe I don't know. I'm not sure, but yes, I may travel by plane sometimes if the need arises. Yes, of course, it is thrilling. So yes, and yeah, traveling by plane is something which is people are something which is very very absolutely um, compulsory, because you have to fly place, go to places, reach immediately for a lot of reasons, right? So let us take a look at this module 2, classroom conversation. I would like students to switch on their cameras and sharing the screen with you right now. So this was for Simage module 2, classroom. Yeah, you can see. Classroom conversation workout. So it's all about the questioning, the answering, the conversation, the friendly conversation, the advice, the suggestions that you may give, that you may take, can be beneficial for you, can be helpful for you. So, module 2, the first lesson. Yeah. Talking about adventure. The first lesson, the first conversation topic is talking about adventure. Let me make it easier for you. Let me increase the font. Can you see now?
Yes, ma'am.
So, talking about adventure in English. These are conversation starters. How you begin. Like, there are a lot of people who never initiate a conversation. कैसे शुरुआत करें इनको समझ में नहीं आता है. How to initiate. Right? So there are some questions on adventure. I hope you know the meaning of adventure. Thrilling, excitement, taking risks, adventure. So, topic 1. The first is, let me read it out. Life can sometimes be rather boring. Yes, it is true. Sometimes life is very exciting, but at other times, life can be very boring. We need more adventure. We need to take risks. We need to take adventure. Like the same routine, when you're following the same routine, even on vacations and holidays, so life will get a little stagnant. The stagnancy will set in. You will feel bored. The same ins and outs, the same mornings, days, nights, nothing new happening, nothing is happening ever. Life comes at a standstill. एक जगह स्थिर हो जाते हैं हम लोग, तो फिर क्या होता है, स्टैग्नेंसी आ जाता है, the same thing, you start feeling bored. We need more adventure. Definitely, life is exciting. So to put this excitement, we need to be adventurous. I'm not saying be adventurous and take risks and risk your life. No, no, no. When I say life needs more adventure, life needs more exploring. Explore. So we need more adventure, whether real or in imaginations. When you're doing intra-personal communication, you're imagining. You can go wild in your imaginations. People who write beautiful stories, what are they doing? They are not going anywhere. They are staying put at a place. वो एक जगह पे रहते हैं और वहाँ से they weave stories and they write such beautiful stories, and those stories become best sellers. Why? Because people read them. The adventure stories, right? So when we are talking about imagination, we are talking about thinking, creating, visualizing. So we are discussing adventures using the English questions below. You might need to use conditional verbs for question 4 and 5. Let us see the first question. This is for everybody. Sorry. The first question. Do you consider yourself to be an adventurous person? Are you the person who likes to take risks, explore something which you have never done, taken a different road, walked on a path not taken, done something which you have never done before? Wear a color you have never worn. क्या आप एडवेंचरस पर्सन हैं? क्या आप लीक से हट के, रूटीन से हट के कुछ करते हैं, करना चाहते हैं? Like you are getting bored, and when there is no, when you bolt your door, ab darwaza band karke, you play loud music and you dance. Normally you never dance in parties, but when you take the you because you are adventurous, you're exploring your skills. Let me see if I can dance or not. So what do? You're so bored, you're bored stiff, इतना ज़्यादा bored हो गए कि आप stiff हो गए एकदम, कि दिमाग कहीं काम नहीं कर रहा है. So what do? You bolt your door and then you start dancing. The fun is there when nobody is at home and you are at yourself. You are home alone. So you can do whatever you want. So it happens with me. And I love to explore, see things, do things, what maybe I might not do when people are around. So what do I do? When nobody is around and when I'm alone, I'm all by myself. And I have to listen to myself and I have to talk to myself and I have to be myself for myself. So what do? So what do I really do? I take out my harmonium, जो once in a blue moon होता है, because people are always around at my place. कभी ना कोई रहता ही है. अगर कोई नहीं रहता था, my classes. So where's the time? But anyways, अगर हमको आधे घंटे का भी टाइम मिल जाता है in between classes, then what do? I take out my harmonium, I dust it, and I play just to remind myself whether do I remember playing or not. याद भी है कि नहीं हम क्या बजाते थे, क्या गाते थे. Then I used to think, then I think about my teachers. I remember the songs which the ghazals or the geet and the bhajans which they have taught me. So in my imagination, I go touch their feet and then I start, Guruji, आपके नाम से हम शुरू कर रहे हैं. So please bless me. And then I take the harmonium and I start singing. And when I start singing, I feel, yeah, I can still sing very well. Then what do? There's a family WhatsApp group. So I send something which is very abnormal about me. कि हम कभी करते नहीं है, कोई हमको बोल दे घर में कि गाना गाओ. I never used to sing. My mother was so angry with me. तुम इतना दिन से गाना सीख रहे हो, कहते हैं तो कभी तुम गाती नहीं. कभी आपके फंक्शंस में भी डायरेक्टर सर कभी बोल देते, when he hands over the mic to me, I don't know, I feel so scared and I forget all the words. Sometimes Podar sir comes in and helps me out with some verses, right? ऐसा होता है. But then all of a sudden when I'm alone, I did it. And I shared it with my sisters and they were like, oh my God, really? And they shared it in other groups and they said, oh, come on, you should sing more and please send more. And then I got a lot of farmaishes. Ye gana gao, wo gana gao. You've forgotten you used to sing this song so well. This film ka song tum gana gao, tum gao usko. They said, yeah, good idea. So I would like to say I'm never bored. मेरे पास हमेशा कुछ कुछ करने के लिए होता है. I always explore, do the impossible. And then that elevates me. I'm not rusting out. My skill is not rusting out. I'm burning out. I'm using my skills, getting back to life. So I said, I'll be back with a bang. So yes, I am back with a bang. So back to the question. I hope you have understood what I wanted to say. Do you consider yourself to be an adventurous person? Yes, I consider myself to be a very, very highly adventurous person. I always do the impossible and shock others. Oh, yeah, okay. Yes, Priya, yes, I see you smiling. So can we have a presentation, Priya? Do you consider yourself to be an adventurous person?
Ma'am, sometimes I considered myself as an adventurous person, not always.
Can you tell me what are the things that you do? Like I told you, I take out my harmonium. So something which for 15, 20 years I don't ever touch it. I've never touched it. But then suddenly it occurred to me, like this time I'm going to do it. I programmed. Next time when I'm alone, I'm going to do it and I'm going to record it just for my sake. But then it turned out good, right? Taking risks. This is taking risks. Because I was upset. Okay, suppose I've spent so many years in music, and suppose I do not remember a single song taught by my gurus or single raga. अगर हम भूल गए हैं तो this is insulting for me because Sanjana Sinha happens to be the an approved artist of All India Radio. So I never went to sing with all the contracts were cancelled because I never went. Used to call me for recordings, I never went. क्यों? डर था. मैं तो गा नहीं रही, रियाज में नहीं हूँ, नहीं जाऊँगी. कहीं गए और बेइज्जत हो जाएंगे तो फिर इससे अच्छा नहीं जाओ. So this thing was there in me. So I had taken it up a challenge. Now wherever I have time, I'm going to do it. Yes, Priya, can you give me some instance, some examples of explain how do you consider yourself to be an adventurous person? कैसे मान लें कि अगर इंटरव्यू में आप हैं, are you an adventurous person? Yes, prove it. I have proved it right now, right? So up to Mali, now turn yours.
Ma'am, when I am in the school, then that time I have a fear to go on the stage, but after some time I fought with my fear, and now I go on the stage and do whatever.
This is, are you a person who is adventurous? If I ask you to describe yourself in your interview, describe yourself in one line, and if this answer is yes, I am adventurous, it means you love to explore. You love to walk on the road you have never walked. You love to take risks. You're not the same person all over again. You are changing every day because you're learning new skills, you knowing yourself. You're exploring within, you're exploring your capabilities. You're brushing up. You're not rusting out. You want to burn out. You live your life full size. So those who consider themselves adventurous, they are living their life king size. And for a person who is adventurous, they are never bored. They will always find something or the other to do. Like one thing about me, I never take a nap in the daytime. Kabhi bhi, even if it's scorching heat and June, May, June, people sleep after lunch. I think if I sleep, I'm going to waste a couple of hours. Instead, I do something which I like. A lot of things which you may like to do. Right? Yes. So, do you consider yourself to be an adventurous person? Yes or no? While Priya is thinking, Rajvi, Abhijit, others in the group, please respond. Yeah. So I have answered two questions. Do you consider yourself to be an adventurous person? Yes. What is the most adventurous thing you have ever done? The most when you have shocked yourself. Are?
Yes, adventure.
Oh my God, this is amazing. दूसरा कोई कहेगा इसके पहले ही अभिजीत कभी लगता है कि मैंने ये काम कर लिया. Oh, great. Abhijit, you're a great person. You're a very great person. Abhijit is smiling ear to ear. हाँ अभिजीत, तो कभी लगता है क्या द मोस्ट एडवेंचरस थिंग तुम कुछ किए हो ऐसा जो कि कोई नहीं कर सकता था, आपने कर दिया और आप यू शॉक योरसेल्फ, यू अमेज योरसेल्फ. ऐसा कभी हुआ है क्या? एनीबडी इन द ग्रुप? Let me come back to the class. Yeah. What is the most adventurous thing you've done? Now this is an open house discussion. Please, students, please switch on your cameras. Let's discuss. Two questions. Do you consider you are adventurous? If you say no, I'm not adventurous. I do whatever is told to me. I live life in a frame. अगर आप वो हैं, okay, the answer will be taken. ऐसा नहीं कि I will not take your answer. If the answer is yes, I am adventurous. So now, what is the most adventurous? What is the time when you have shocked yourself, you amazed yourself before amazing anybody else? ऐसी कौन सी चीज है जो कि आप अपने आप को अमेज कर लिए? अच्छा, कुछ एक्सप्लोर करें, चलो देखते हैं कि क्या है क्या नहीं, कोई रास्ता. Like many youngsters, what they do, they go visit a haunted house. वो लोग मना करते मत जाओ, और जो लोग मना करते यहाँ नहीं जाना है. The forbidden fruit is always sweet. समझते हो? The forbidden fruit वो क्या होता है? जब एडम एंड ईव को बनाया गया था, एक पेड़ भी बनाया गया था एप्पल्स का, और मना किया गया था, you can have in paradise, in heaven, you can eat apples from all the trees, but this tree in the corner, उस पे नहीं जाना है. फॉरबिडन फ्रूट नहीं खाना उसका. लेकिन एक सेटन, शैतान जो होता है, वो अट्रैक्ट किया, ल्योर किया ईव को, एंड ईव हैड टेकन दैट, ईटन दैट फॉरबिडन फ्रूट. उसके बाद क्या हुआ? एडम एंड ईव को पैराडाइज, हेवन से निकाल दिया गया था. दिस इज इन क्रिश्चियनिटी. एंड फॉरबिडन, वहीं से आता है ये प्रॉवर्ब, फॉरबिडन फ्रूट इज ऑलवेज स्वीट. मतलब जो चीज मना हो जाती है कि नहीं करना है, उधर मत जाना है, उधर आप जरूर जाओगे. क्यों मना क्यों किया जा रहा है? आप सोचने लगोगे. A particular house is haunted, it's a haunted house, तो आप नहीं जाएंगे. लेकिन जो एडवेंचरस पर्सन है, बोले ऐसे कोई भूत भूत होती चीज नहीं है, और मैं तो पता लगा के रहूंगा, या पता लगा के रहूंगी, ऐसी कोई बात इसमें है नहीं. एंड दे गो आउट एंड वो घूम घाम के पूरा आते हैं, और कुछ नहीं, नथिंग, वहां पर कुछ भी नहीं है, वहां दिस एंड दैट है, एंड दे फील या yes, it was adventurous, or it was haunted and I felt certain things over there, but yes, I would like to go there again. So you shock yourself. Now, will I stalk the whole class? during the whole class, or will somebody make a presentation? Yes, Rohit.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. The first question. Answer the first question.
Ma'am, what was the first question?
Oh, come on. The first question was, do you consider yourself to be an adventurous person?
I have never done something adventurous, uh, but I have done when I was 13 years old. So if I get chance to become an adventurous person, I will consider myself as adventurous. I will
You have
explore
never you have never taken any risk in your life.
when
You have
I,
never done something which you have never done. ऐसा कभी आपने कुछ नहीं किया जो आपने कभी नहीं किया है, तो कभी तो कुछ लीक से हटके किए होंगे.
yes ma'am, when I was 13 years old, I do something adventurous. I visit with my friends at nearby village river and decided to swim in that river because I was not know that time swimming, and my friend helped in swimming, and I was so scared and excited also.
Okay. You did not know swimming, but you had gone for swimming and then you survived. You survived the disasters, right? This was adventurous, right? Yeah. When you're talking about swimming, it comes in my mind when I was 5 years old, and my sister was 3 years old, and my grandfather, he had come from Gaya, and he had brought a lot of mithai and all that. एक पेड़ा होता था, केसर का पेड़ा. गया में लोग केसरिया पेड़ा बोलते. That was, I still remember. और वो लाए थे वो. What we did, my sister and me, we took the whole packet. And that time we were living in a quarter, the teachers' quarters. My father was the professor in sociology, and it was a Krishna Ghat. Krishna Ghat तो बस बगल ही में है, वहीं पर quarter था. What we did, we came down with that. We were living upstairs. We came down, and then we had all the pedas over there from there. And we did not share. Just my sister and me. We ate of the whole thing, and then we thought we are going to wash our hands. So I said, let's go to Gangaji. And बस 2 मिनट का रास्ता, 2 मिनट का, 1 मिनट. I ran, and 1 मिनट में हम लोग पहुंच गए वहाँ पे. And both of us came down, and we washed our hands in गंगा जी में. हम लोगों ने हाथ धोया. और हम तो बड़े थे ना. I was 5 years. My sister was younger. नहीं, I was 4 years old. My sister was 2 years old. She could barely walk. और वो भी मेरे साथ साथ. वो जब झुकी, when she stooped to wash her hands, she fell down. And then for 2 minutes, for 1 minute, I saw her floating. दूर जाते हुए देखा. I saw her floating a little further away from me. I could not reach I put out my hands, but I could not get to her. But there was the woman. She was washing clothes over there and bathing over there. She was bathing and washing clothes also. And then she said my sister had very thick, long hair. She pulled the child, my sister, with her hair like this, saying that, कौन, वो अपनी लैंग्वेज में बोली, मगी में बोली, कि कौन ऐसा माँ बाप है कि इतना छोटा बच्चा को, 2 छोटे छोटे बच्चों को छोड़ दिया यहाँ पर ला करके. And I said, oh my God, scary, adventurous, freaking out, going to the Ganges. Almost I had lost her. And then we came back. She was like all wet, like this. She was trembling. And my mother said, where were you? And then uske baad to kya hua? It is history. Right? So these things children do. Children are very adventurous. उनको डर नहीं लगता है. हम डरते हैं ना. But when we are young, we do adventurous things. कोई सोच भी नहीं सकता. I remember once when I was 15-year-old, I jumped out of my house late at night because there was a pajama party, all girls. So Jews Convent High School, they always indulge in such things. So I had a friend, Veena Singh. She was a student friend nearby. So I jumped out of the window at midnight, and I went out, and the front door was open, and I went out. I left the door open. I stayed with her, and we had lots of fun, and we danced and we sang and we had a lot of fun. And her mother asked me, बेटा तुम बता के आई हो ना, तुम गाड़ी छोड़ने तुमको नहीं आया था? I said no, हम बता के आए, मुझे छोड़ करके गाड़ी आया थी. And then God, when I reached home at 6 in the morning, उसके बाद तो जो हिस्ट्री बना वो अभी तक मुझे रुला देता, because my father said I have lost trust in you, and they could not believe that it was just a simple girlish behavior. We all got together, we had fun. So it still hurts me when I think about that incident. So these are very adventurous things. क्या होगा? Just for thrill. आते हैं ना 12 बजे. And this was, ये खुराफात मेरे दिमाग में होता था. Let's do something different. So yeah, I told you I'm a very adventurous person. जो कोई dare भी नहीं करेगा. Nobody would dare. I dared. Yes, Ashutosh, do you think of such incidents which you have done in school?
No, ma'am, I have done nothing adventurous.
So you're not
like you, ma'am.
So nobody is
You have done a lot adventures.
You don't like adventure. Adventure can be good also. Adventure when you mature is very good, because you need to take risk. When you want to become an entrepreneur, you need to take risk. You need to take risk. You need to be adventurous. A cousin of mine, he is passed out from IIM Ahmedabad and from BITS Pilani, both. Brilliant. He was at a package of 14 lakhs, graduated to 40 lakhs per annum, and then earned more. Salary was like huge. Imagine 6 lakhs, 7 lakhs, 10 lakhs per month. Topper, IIM Ahmedabad and BITS Pilani. He left his job. With a couple of his friends and started on his own startup. Now he's earning much more and very, very successful. And his parents were like, अब क्या होगा, नौकरी इसने छोड़ दी है, इसका स्टार्टअप चलेगा नहीं चलेगा. But then he took risk, isn't it? People who can take risk, they are very confident of their capabilities. मैं कर लूंगा. So Ashutosh, you have to be a person to take risks. No risk, no gain. अगर वो नहीं अपनी नौकरी नहीं छोड़ा होता, ठीक है? He was the country head. He left the job. He took a huge risk. And then now he is earning much more. So don't say, I am not an adventurous person. Adventure cannot be just simple adventures, like something I did, a foolish attempt of, the skill was there. That thing was there in me that says, yes, I am an adventurous person. Right. And I'm a little different from my sisters and people in my family. And that is how I see myself. I take risks. So Ashutosh and everybody else, you need to be adventurous. You need to take risks. करके देखते हैं होता है कि नहीं. अगर दिमाग में बैठ जाएगा ये नहीं होना है, हमसे नहीं होगा. Take the risk. So for self grooming, Even Rohit Raj, even you said you're not adventurous. Little bit of adventure is very important in life. It has to be there. Yes, Rajvi, let's talk to you.
Yes, ma'am.
Rajvi.
Ma'am, I'm not adventurous person.
आप एडवेंचरस नहीं है, आप कभी कोई रिस्क नहीं लिया, कभी कुछ अलग हटके नहीं किया जो इसके बाद ये, इसके बाद ये, इसके बाद ये, ऐसे ही कभी।
Ma'am, we have done a lot, but we didn't remember that one.
I remember everything. I told you when I was 4 years old. So it left such an impact in me, on me, that I am never going to forget that day.
Ma'am, I haven't remembered a single memory of that age. You have remembered all.
And she would have died because of me.
Ma'am, Rajat want to say about his adventures.
Ah, yes, Abhishek.
Me not, ma'am. Rajat want to say. He is fully adventurous.
We are all adventurous. We all get bored at one time or the other, and we need to take risk. कभी ऐसा हुआ आप लोगों को कि कोई गाना आप नहीं सुनते? मैं नहीं, इसको नहीं गाता हूँ, मैं ये नहीं खाता हूँ, मैं ये नहीं खाती हूँ, कभी मैंने खाया ही नहीं, मुझे अच्छा नहीं, मैंने खाना ही नहीं है। तो कभी आप देखते हैं, चलो खा के देखते हैं, कोई रिस्क लिया है, चलो खा के तो देखो कैसा लगता है। अब एक लाइन बन जाता है, स्टूडेंट्स, बच्चे, जैसे आई एम ऑल्सो मदर, क्या क्या नहीं खाना है, डूज एंड डोंट्स। जैसे खाना ही नहीं है, परवल नहीं खाना है, ग्रीनीज जितना भी ग्रीन वेजिटेबल्स होता है नहीं खाना है, स्पिनिच नहीं खाना है, कोई तरह का साग नहीं खाना है, मतलब कभी टेस्ट ही नहीं किया। एक बार टेस्ट करो तो फिर नहीं, रिस्क नहीं लेना है। हम जो खाते हैं वही खाते जाएंगे। Isn't it boring? I thought I scolded my children for eating golgappa. नहीं खाना है। But then I said, once I was going to Samaj College, तो राजापुर में तो वहीं पर है ना। I saw some of the students eating golgappa. मैंने कहा bad. फिर मैंने कहा चलो। I was walking down from Vivekanand Marg to Morning Road. So फिर वहाँ I stopped by, and I was feeling hungry. चलो यार, I had a couple of golgappas, and I thought, my God, if my students see me like this, they'll say, oh my God, no, ma'am, you've been asking us not to, and here you're enjoying mouthfuls. तो टेकिंग रिस्क ये भी होता है, एडवेंचर ये भी होता है। कभी जो नहीं कह चलो खा के देखते आज गोलगप्पा खा। रिस्क मतलब ये नहीं कि जान जोखिम में डाल लो, अपनी इज्जत जोखिम में डाल लो, कुछ करो ना। डूइंग समथिंग व्हिच इज थ्रिलिंग, व्हिच इज एक्साइटिंग। यस अभिजीत।
Yes, ma'am. मेरा वॉइस कट गया था उसमें। और yes ma'am, I am an adventurer and I take in this share market.
Okay, you are, yes, very good, सही पकड़े हो, सही पकड़े। You take risk in share markets. यही तो रिस्क हुआ ना, यही रिस्क हुआ। क्या होगा क्या नहीं होगा पता नहीं, करते हैं। Right. So people who
Yes,
take,
ma'am.
सही है। चलो, you did not answer my question, and the conversation starting, it was one-sided conversation. Only I was giving presentation. In the end, Abhijit came up with a bright idea. Eureka! I take risk. शेयर मार्केट में रिस्क लेते हैं। आई एम एडवेंचरस। हाँ, वही कर ही सकता है। नहीं भाई, नहीं लेंगे, क्या होगा?
Very addictive.
क्या बैल मुझे मार के छोड़ो यार, जो है वो दे दो। ठीक है, time is up. Otherwise, we could have continued this class for another couple of hours. So yeah,
Yes.
there are 10 students in the class. Round number 22, 12, and people as usual. Yes, sir. Rajat, do you want to say something?
Yes, ma'am.
Are
I
you-
consider myself very adventurous guy, ma'am.
okay. Let us hear the final word from Rajat Kumar. Yeah, Rajat.
Yes, ma'am. Am I audible, ma'am?
Somebody is adventurous. Yeah, okay.
Spotlight. Yes, I'm considered myself very adventurous guy, ma'am. If something no, I see in something I didn't even try. That so I try my best to take the chance to do something
Taking
new
chance
every day.
also is taking risk means taking a chance.
Yes, ma'am.
Walking on a road, a new route. आज इस रास्ते पे क्या है?
Yes, ma'am.
I'll take this route today. I'll see.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, you give me an example of how adventurous you are.
Like, ma'am, in class 9 or 10, I do bunk with my friends, or sometime I alone. And if you say so, like you say, eat something new. Like someday before I eat ostrich, someday before 1 year before before lockdown, I eat ostrich, rabbit, that kind of different animal. So yeah,
How do you feel?
I tried.
How do you feel after the adventure that the activity or the what is the aftermath? उसके बाद कैसा feel?
I feel thrilled, ma'am.
You feel good,
like,
confident. Yeah, I've done it.
Yeah. Yes, ma'am. I feel thrilled.
I've
Yeah.
taken the risk, huge risks,
Yes, ma'am.
and this becomes a habit.
I feel something new in me. I
You
think
feel something new. You feel skilled. कि I can. I'm capable. I have done it. Been there, done that. It all. So when you are adventurous, you explore within. You know a new person in you. You acknowledge your skills also.
yes, ma'am. And that's my motto, ma'am. I do every day something new, and I try to.
I guess all of us are adventurous. We'll cut down
Yes, ma'am.
questions on these and in the next class, and be prepared to whatever it is. Like, give presentations, speak at length. The fun in conversation is about everybody should speak. This is the chance 1 hour that we are giving you to create an environment to speak English, which is very important. Okay, guys. Thank you.